Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be finishing lesson 50 today. The first thing I want you to do is look here at my screen. Some of these numbers are teen numbers and some of them are not. I want you to identify the numbers for me. So looking at the first number here, is this a teen number? No. What is it? 3. Is this a teen number? No. Yes, it is a teen number. Remember, teen numbers are two-part numbers that start with a 1. So what teen number is this? 13. Is this a teen number? No. What is it? 0. Is this a teen number? No. What is it? 9. Is this a teen number? Yes. What teen number? 14. Is this a teen number? No. What is it? 1. Is this a teen number? Yes. What teen number is it? 12. Is this a teen number? Yes. What teen number is it? 10. Good job, boys and girls. Now you'll get your red math book ready to go. So in your red math book, you should turn to page 67. And your page should look like my page that I have shown up here. And I want you to find the fish on the top of the page. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read the problems, okay? So touch the first problem and read. 14 plus 3 equals. Good. And read the next problem. 4 plus 6 equals. Good job. Go back to the first problem. Touch the number that you'll make lines for. Which number? 3. Right, we are going to plus 3, so we would make 3 lines. Go ahead and make 3 lines under the 3. Now touch the number you will get going. We should be touching the 14. Get 14 going and count the lines. 14, 15, 16, 17. 14 plus 3 equals 17. Good job. Read the whole problem. 14 plus 3 equals 17. Nice. Go to the next problem. Touch the number you'll make lines for. 6. How many lines will you make? 6. Go ahead and make 6 lines under the 6. Now touch the number you'll get going. Get 4 going and count the lines. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Go ahead and read the whole fact. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job, boys and girls. Next, go down to the sunglass row. And these are problems that take away. First, you can see that we have the number you start with missing. You will need to count the lines and write the number you start with. Go ahead, boys and girls. Count the lines and write the number you start with in the box. What number did you write in the box, boys and girls? 9? Good job. So if we start with 9, and we're going to take away how many? Take away 4. Boys and girls, come down here at the end of the lines, take away 4 lines, and write down the number you end up with here after the equals. Boys and girls, how many lines did you end up with? 5? Yes, 5. And read the whole fact. 9 take away 4 equals 5. Boys and girls, go to the next problem. Count the lines that you start with and write the number in the box. Go ahead. Did everyone write 8 in the box? Good. And we're starting with 8 lines. How many are we going to take away? Take away 5. Boys and girls, come to the end over here and take away 5 lines. Then write the number you end up with after the equals. Boys and girls, what number did you write after the equals? 3? Yes, 3. Good job. Listen, before we do this part right here, I just want to review how you plus 1, okay? First, let's do an exercise where we practice counting by 1, okay? Listen, 7. I'll say the whole thing for 7 plus 1. Listen, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Say the whole thing for 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Listen, 4. Say the whole thing for 4 plus 1. Remember, when you plus 1, you say the number that comes next. So what number comes after 4? 5. So when you plus 1, you would say 4 plus 1 equals 5. Next, 8. Say the whole thing for 8 plus 1. Think of what number comes after 8. 9 comes next, right? So say the whole thing. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Good. Listen, 5. Say the whole thing for 5 plus 1. Get ready. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Listen, 3. Say the whole thing for 3 plus 1. Get ready. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Go ahead and touch the dog on your worksheet, and you're going to do the plus 1 facts here. Okay, just like we just did. So read the first problem. 4 plus 1 equals, and what is 4 plus 1? 5. Write 5 after the equals, and read the whole fact. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Going across, read the problem. 8 plus 1 equals, what is 8 plus 1? 9. Write 9 after the equals. Read the whole fact. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Go down to the next row, boys and girls. Read the problem. 3 plus 1 equals. What is 3 plus 1, boys and girls? 4. Say the whole fact. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Next one. Read the problem. 5 plus 1 equals. What does 5 plus 1 equal? 6. Write 6 after the equals, and read the whole fact. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good job, boys and girls. Boys and girls, touch the alligator on your worksheet. I'm going to tell you a word problem that pluses, and you're going to write the symbols on the line. Listen to the problem. A woman ran 3 miles. Then the woman ran 6 more miles. Listen again and write the symbols. A woman ran 3 miles. What are you going to write first? 3. Then the woman ran 6 more miles. What symbols are you going to write next? Plus 6. What comes after the 6? Equals. Read the whole problem that you wrote. 3 plus 6 equals. Good. Now we're going to work that problem out. So because we're plussing, we need to make lines for one of the numbers. Touch the number you will make lines for. Are you touching the 6? Good job. Make 6 lines under the 6. Touch the number you'll get going. What number will you get going? 3. Get 3 going and count the lines. Ready, go. What number are you going to get going? 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does 6 plus 3 equal? 9. Make sure that you write a 9 after the equals, and then read the whole fact. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Or I'm sorry, I think I said that the wrong way. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay. Next, you will be tracing these numbers, but not quite yet. First, I just want you to read the numbers that you'll trace. What's the first one? 19. What's the next one? 27. What's the next one? 14. So those numbers you'll write after, okay? First, let's go down and go over what the rest of your independent work is for the day. So touch the cow on your worksheet. Next to the cow are equals with lines on one side. Some of the lines for each problem are taken away. You'll count the lines you end up with and write the number next to the equals, okay? So you count the lines you end up with for this row and for this row. Go down to the tractor, touch the tractor. Each problem in the row should have a number with lines under it. So you'll complete each of these problems. If it has lines, you write the number. If it has the number, you write the lines, okay? Next, go down and touch the cat on your worksheet. For each equals next to the cat, you're going to cross out the equals if the sides are not equal. So you'll count the lines. Let's do this first one here together. Count the lines. Did you count 10 lines, boys and girls? And is this the number 10? It is. So are these two the same? Yes. So do you cross out the equals on this one? No. You only cross out the equals if the sides are not the same. So if the sides are the same like they are here, you don't do anything. Okay? And then you do the same thing here for this row and for this row. Go down to the radio. Next to the radio are equals with numbers on one side. You'll make lines on the other side. So if the number's 5, how many lines will you make? Yes, 5. Okay. So you are going to finish both parts. So finish tracing the numbers on page 67 and then complete page 68 on your own. And if possible, have a family member take a picture of your completed work and email it to me. And then that way I can leave you a nice little message. Okay, boys and girls, you did a good job. You worked hard today. I'll see you next time. Bye.